Hey Liz, you sure you're talking to the right people here? It sounds like you're talking to somebody else.
You can do whole nails or half of the nails. You can do on that angles. You can do on the left or the right. And doesn't matter. You pick your angles you would like to. I'm gonna do it just like diagonals again here for 30 seconds. Thank you so much, Nene. Thank you, 80. And then this one, you can do inside the nails. It's so gorgeous. I love that the pink and kind of a hot pink, and it's like a black hot pink. The design is so stunning though. So you choose the way you want it. You can do all nails with this and diagonals, or you can do is half of it. Adela on Facebook, are you feeling seeing okay now? Hi Laura. And let's do. This one is so beautiful and stunning. So I'm gonna press it. It's really good. If your hand, sometimes my fingers had oil on, I always using the dual end tweezers and give it a good press on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Adela, she on IG now.
Adela, thank you so much for tuning in on IG. Is that better on IG? Can you hear it okay? Looks how beautiful it is.
Oh, this looks really nice.
Look at the chamfers completely. Ta-da! And now let's get into the crystal placement. Let's see, we have, oh, I do have this one. Look at what I got. But I don't want to do flowers again. I like it, but I want something else. Condensed glue gels. Oh, that's awesome, Adela. Thank you so much. And this is the first step. How does this one get the first in there? Sorry. I pulled it off of my camera. My brush.
Yes, it's number 17. Baby pink, I believe.
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum. There you go.
Baby pink, number 1. Do it thin. You do not need it too thick. You don't want to do it too thick or too little. And don't forget, there's no wipe top coat. What's wrong with that one? Sometimes it's the air, it's just flying on. You know what I was thinking of? If you put some like gold fleck here, it looks beautiful. So if you want to do like no crystal placement, you can put gold flakes on it, and then you're good to go. Maybe next nail I will do it. Next nail I will do it, and then I'll do crystal in a different spot. And then now we are going. And put this. Oh, I totally forget. You know, earlier, so I want to get some AB, but then in this pack, it's right next to me. It has so many of little AB, glow in the darks and stuff in here. Oh, if I open this, then I have all everything. I said, wait, I think I'm missing something. Yes, I'm missing this pack. The crystal tips for me. Should I open it? I should open this back so I can get more stuff to work on. Because I said, wait a minute, I think I'm missing something that I do have it, but I don't remember what it is. Is that funny? It's just right next to me. Because I said I didn't have a container, so I didn't want to open it. But definitely. Oh my gosh, so many choices, so many options, and so many choices. centerpiece first. I'm gonna pick up this one. Is a Radiance cut, and it's like really beautiful, like yellow. And this is in a transcented, so you are going to get the classic blue and transcented pack, and then the crimsons will be random designs. Crimsons out of 3 designs, you get one of them. AB out of 6 designs, you get one of them, 1 pack. And then rose gold, 3 of them, you will get 1 pack out of 3. So I'm so obsessed with this. Can't wait because we can do so many. There's a big one. And oh, look at that. I use this one a lot. Maybe long. Same thing with this one. I'm going to put the beads in there and close the beads. Sorry, sometimes I just like mumbling because I will talk to myself. Just drop it. So you will get this pack, transcented pack like I get, and the blue as well. And then I got an idea for this one. And I got an idea for that one. This is really cool, unlike a starter kit that is definitely you're going to enjoy. You'll never go wrong with this because I'm having fun right now to create the designs for you. All right. Happy with this? We are going to cure for 60 seconds.